Right, let me share my screen. Right now. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir, we
Okay.
can see that.
All right. Okay. So let's proceed. So as I was saying, I want to do same with this right social media icons. So I'm going to change the display from block to flex. All right. So let's go to the code. Do the same thing here. I'm going to target right media icons, which is dot this, then display what flex. Let's check. There's it. We are heading somewhere, right?
Mm.
Good. Now, if you notice, I have my phone number, phone icon, and number, which is more like in a block format. The display is block. I've not
Mm.
actually handled that too, right?
Mm.
Good. So I'll go to my phone. Yes, I'm going to go to my phone deep and do the same thing. So let's go to my phone deep. Um, just hope you will not get confused to display flex.
Mm.
Now it's aligned vertically. I'll do same for my email icon and email. I'll do the same thing. I'll go to my email and do the same thing. That's email display flex. Now we have everything aligned. We are good to go, which is more like this, similar to this.
Yeah.
All right, fine. Any confusion?
No.
All right, thank you. Next
Thank
thing
you.
is, sorry. All right, next thing is, if you notice, there is a space. You notice between this and this, there is a space here, right?
Yes.
Cool. So we just need to give a space between these two divs, like this. See these two divs, phone number. There is a space between this and this, so we'll give a space there, right?
Yes.
What we are going to do, have you guys heard of gap before? Gap.
No.
Gap is a CSS property. So gap is assuming this is the parent, like the parent is the left contact. In
Mm.
the gap works like this, right? If assuming this is the left contact and I want there to be space, a gap between my children, all I'm going to do is to target the parent, right? And put a gap property. This is what I mean. This is the left contact, and I want a space between this child
The children. Yeah.
and these children. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to my left contact, which is this, and use a gap property. So maybe I give it 40 px. Let's see how it's going to be. See, that's what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Good. But that space is too much, so I'm going to give it like 20.
So your screen. 20.
My screen is.
You're not seeing your screen.
Are you serious? Can
We
someone
are,
see my screen?
we are seeing it.
You can
Seeing
see
It
it.
should,
So
it
Yes,
should
maybe
be your
check your
network. It's your
network.
network. Yes.
it.
So let's reduce it to like 20. Let's reduce it to 20 and see. All right, it's okay now. It's somehow better, right? Then we see the icon, the phone icon, and the numbers. There is a space. If we check our own, phone icon and number. There is no space. Sure, you see this
Yes.
now. So we need to
Not
give it a gap as well. So what we are going to do is we target the phone and do the same thing. It's still the same flow and give a gap of maybe
And yes.
10 px, right? So
Yes.
let's check, which is okay. Hmm? Then we do the same thing here. The email and the okay, the email icon, Abi. This
Yes.
is the email and the icon email, right?
The email icon, then the email.
Okay, the email icon and the email. Are you sure? Email
Yes.
icon. Okay. Email icon and email. So there should be a space. So I'm going to do same here. I'll go to the email, then do the same thing. Gap of 10 px, right? Which is this.
Sorry. Is this gap doing the same thing like padding?
Yeah, you can actually use margin right. If you want there to be space, you use margin right, right? Margin right, yes. Let's try that out now. Let's. Do you want us to try it? You can actually try it yourself. Oh. I'm just showing my own way.
No problem.
Attempt,
Go ahead with
attempt
this.
it at the
We'll
right
do
side. Attempt it at the right side. Let's see. Margin right.
Sorry.
I mean, apply that margin right at the right
Okay, this
social,
place here, so that we see it how it goes. Okay.
so it will have
All right.
space.
So we're going to do this, right? We have the Facebook, Twitter, and we want a space in between them. So what we do is going to target what media icon. We're going to target the
Yeah.
media icon dot media icon and media icon, then margin right. Let's say we'll use 20 px. Let's 20 px. Let's see how it's going to be. There is it now. It's still the same way, right?
So,
Good.
oh, let me see the syntax. Sorry.
Okay. Margin right 20 px.
Okay. Margin right is just for only the right.
Yes, only the right. Yeah, only the right. Your right hand side. Yes, only this right. Yep.
That margin right is more preferable than the other one. The other one you spaced you gapped spaced all of them. Margin right left can space the four icons.
That was because I created divs for all of them, and I just called the name media icon, which targeted all the class names that are for that media icon. That's why.
Okay.
I can actually it's still the same thing. I can actually, it's because that one was much. I can actually do same with using that gap. I just call in this and I just use the gap. Okay, there's no need for creating it. It
No,
already, there's a class name for that. Where is it? Bright media. Look at it here. Just call it gap. I mean 10 px.
margin left.
Let me comment that out. It's still the
Yeah.
same thing.
Comment it up. Let's see what it will
See,
do.
still the same thing.
Wait. Okay, that means that this syntax you did now
Mm.
was for everything within that media
Yeah,
container.
for everything. Yeah, the media icon. Yes. But for
Okay.
this one, I'm targeting the container that is housing everything. So like I said, the gap would give gap for each of the children,
Yeah.
which is this gap here. That's what I mean.
Mm.
Abi?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't understand this gap.
You don't understand it, but you understand the margin right.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, now use your margin right there. Use your margin right.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You know,
I wait, don't worry.
yeah,
Let me which whiteboard? Okay, there's a whiteboard in this Google Meet now. There should be a whiteboard. There should be a whiteboard. Let me check. Mm, there's no whiteboard. Should be a whiteboard. Yeah. Mm, Mirror. Okay, I should use mirror. Okay, let me use mirror. This is 11:27. Okay.
Um,
I swear. Ah, you want me to install? Nothing install. I mean, I want to
wait,
explain this gap first.
what are you installing whiteboard for?
No, I'm not installing it. I want to get it direct. Yes.
Okay.
No worry.
So I hope the YouTube of this one we did, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Website wireframing. And just use Blackboard. I just use this one. September 8th. Okay. Building. Okay. Very bad. Okay. Da. All right. So this is what I mean. Um, this is the parent div, right? This is the parent div, and these are the children. Maybe this is the children one, children two, children three, children four, children five, and children six, right? This is the parent div called what? A, right?
Mm.
And these children one, two,
So,
three, 4, 5, 6. Now that gap, if I want a space between each of these children, right? If I want a space between each of these children, all I need to do is to target the container, the parent container, which is A, and inside the parent container, I'm going to set what? Gap equal to what? Maybe 10. And by doing this, this will give us this. It's going to give us this. Hold on first. Let me change this thing to it's going to give us this. Huh? These are times that I need a pen. It's going to give us this. Because of that gap, every children would have a space. That's what I mean. Like that. I don't know if you get it now.
yes, yes,
But if you want to target the children, it means you are going to use what? Margin right. But for the parents, you would use what? Gap. So the gap is going to apply for the children, right?
yes.
Okay, right, cool. So done using gap for that, which there's still big space here now. So let's probably give it another space of 15 px. 15 px. All right, that should be okay now. Let me give it 20. 20. All right, 20 is fine. So what will be the next thing now? The next thing is, should we start bringing? Okay, you guys know how to get icons.
So you said whether
No.
we know how to do what?
Icons. Do you guys know how to get icons?
Even if we know,
What?
we want to see your own.
Okay.
We want to
You
see what you.
can give us
Okay.
the site name.
The one I know is one website like that.
All right. So let's do this. Let's try to get the icons. So this is how I do my research, right? I go to W3 school. Let's go to W3 school first. Wait, can you guys give me like 1 minute first? I'm coming. Just 1 minute. Let me.
Watch.
Okay, guys, can you hear me? Sorry, a call came in. All right, let's continue. So W3 school. This is how I go about my research. So in case I'm looking for new things. Can someone hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So include one. Doesn't overcrowd my system. Dun dun dun. CSS. I go into CSS. And inside CSS, I check for icons. There is a place for icons. In that place for icons. This is icons. I click on the icon, CSS icons, and it pops in. Try it yourself. Icon tutorial. For a list of visitor icon tutorial. Let me see this icon tutorial first. So I have different icons here. So what I'm interested in first is
Social media.
okay. There's what I would do. I just remembered. You guys have heard of Font Awesome before now, right? Font Awesome. All right.
Yes.
So okay. I think I
Yes.
have that extension. Font Awesome extension. I have it already. Yeah. So yeah, in here I can search in for whatever icons I want to use. It's loading. Okay. Let's go to Font Awesome first. So we see what I mean. Let's go to Font Awesome because this one would take my time.
Okay.
Font Awesome. We're also trying things out to let's see. Not perfect. So just trying things out.
Normally. font awesome. Let me write this down.
Loading. No, it's taking time to load. Why is it taking time to load? Try it. Okay. Font awesome. All right. Okay. So icons, I go into icons. Then probably I search, I'm looking for phone icon. Enter. To take me to where? So I have this.
Please, your cursor is
icons
not
here.
moving. Your screen is stuck.
Is it only her?
No, that's
It's moving.
Yeah. It's working
I
now.
just
Thank
the
you.
network. You can join. Sorry. Okay. So these are icons available for us, and I'm looking for something that looks like this small icon here. So what I would do is select. Let me just select anyone. Yeah, I'll just select this one. Click on this. Then I'll try and get this now, which is this. But first, I need to import the copy icon URL. Let me see. Okay, yes, I need to copy this icon first. Classic solid. Okay. So let me copy this snippet. This icon, this is the icon I want to use. So I'll copy it, go to my code. Where I see phone icon, I replace it with what? With the icon, this. Hope we are all following. And if I should go to my,
How did you copy it? Sorry. You just
now I
click
can't see anything. Sorry?
Did you just click on it to copy it?
Yeah, you click on this stuff. Yes, you click on it, copy it. Just click on it to copy. Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
But it's actually not showing. It's not showing because I've not linked it to the website. So what I would do, I'll still come here. Let me try this. It should work. I have to link, paste it, see if it
Sorry.
works.
That link you placed there is for where?
Doesn't work.
This HTTP is from where?
The HTTP. No, I'm trying to link my code to the online, to this font awesome, right? So that it's going to capture my
where
icon
did you get that HTTP code link from? Where did you copy?
from here, this place. Copy icon is from this place. From here. That's where I copied it from. So I don't know why this isn't working.
Are you saved? Have you saved?
No, I've saved it. Wait, don't worry. Let me ask ChatGPT. I'm not perfect though. This is how I do my research when I'm stuck.
Normal. Na ChatGPT they run out.
I am having issues with awesome on iPhone through my HTML. Okay. So ChatGPT has given me a link to use. I'm going to copy this link. They always come to the rescue.
I swear.
So I'll copy that link, then come here and paste it. Yes. Yeah. Maybe I should check. Sorry?
Where did you get this long list? Sorry, how did you get that link from? Let me see your ChatGPT.
ChatGPT gave me the link. This link actually is connecting to the Font Awesome website. So once you get this link, it has automatically gotten all the icons you would need. All you need to be calling is the icon's name for your respective.
I didn't see your prompt. Let me see how you prompted ChatGPT to bring out this stuff.
Just normal.
Importing
Your prompt can be different from my own. I'm having issues with importing my Font Awesome on icon to my HTML. So ChatGPT gave me this. I just copy that and yeah, it's fine. We are good now, right? So most of this thing actually is more like what I actually do is more like it's building our research skill, right? Ability to solve a problem or challenge. Maybe you encountered a bug or something. It's not every time you would go and meet someone. I'm having this. I'm having this. You can actually it's a skill. You can actually research on it. Then after researching on it, if you still cannot solve it, that is when you reach somebody. You reach out to somebody. I don't know if you get what I mean.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please,
Maybe-
can we add another icon?
Sorry.
Can we add another icon?
Yeah, we'll do that. The next one is this email, this send email. So let's see if we might see something that looks like email. Then let's check email. Something that looks like the email send, which might be this one. I need something that has the arrow up. Something that has the arrow up. So I can't see anyone. If I don't see anyone, I would choose. I'll just go for that. Let me check here. Let me use this one first.
Yeah, check where.
Now I want to use my check. Okay, all right. This one might confuse you. Okay. I'm looking for an icon that is like this, but if I don't see like it's like this, that has this pointed up email stuff. But if I don't see it, I will choose the one that is here. So let me just choose the one I'm seeing here that has down. Maybe this. This one has down. So I'll choose that one, which is close to it now. All right. Same thing.
We can also design it to go up.
Yeah, you can do that. SVG. Yeah, you can try SVG in doing that. Yes. All right. So I'll click on this, go to where I wrote down my email icon. Then I just paste it here. Bam. And that's all. I check it if it's working. And it should be working now. It's not showing. Why is it not showing? Why is my email not showing?
Seems you need to link that stuff again. Seems you need to link.
No, I've already
Seems
linked it. This one has linked everything related to it. Let me choose another one first. Let me choose. Okay, this one is Pro. Pro. Okay, wait though. It's because it's Pro. That's why.
You cannot select Pro because it's not free.
Yeah. So these people they like money.
They made They made everything, please.
Let me see send. If there's an icon that is send. Wow.
You can use the email box. Still very the same.
Let's use the email box. Yeah. Let's just use this email box and continue with our work. I beg. Then Sabi. So we use the email box, do the same thing, email icon. Okay, so let's check. All right, so we have it. I think that was pro. That's why it's paid. That's why it didn't pop up. So we have this now, right? Which is looking more like this gradually. Next thing is to put this number. So let me just copy this number out instead of typing it. Copy the number, go to my where I put numbers. Then I just paste it there, right? Then do same for here. Copy the mail. Copy it. Go here and paste it. So let's check it out. We're having something close to it now. We are good now, Abby.
Yeah.
Good. So let's do same here. Let's change all this to the real icons. Yeah, go ahead.
The this thing we got from the web page from the site we use. Where did you see on our HTML? That is the email class on our HTML.
Sorry, I didn't get to come again.
I said the link we got for the icon. Where did you paste it on our HTML?
Yes.
Class
Inside the header.
that icon for email.
Yes. Inside the header. Among those header, anything that has to do with importing a CSS file, maybe from the web online, we put that link inside the header
Okay.
tag. Yes.
What does this link specify?
Sorry.
The link is for what?
The link is actually it's two things, right? If you want to link your HTML to your CSS, you use the link. Also, if you want to link your HTML to a resource online, maybe there is a styling that was done online on the web, and you want to link it straight to your HTML, you still use the link. So it's two-way thing.
Where do you get that link and how do you create it? Or if you can create, how
This
do you
link,
create
no,
it?
this link is actually the address, the link to the site that has all the icons. See, I've copied it. If I come here and paste it, it's going to take me to, let's see, look at it. It's taking me, see all this now. It has all the icons here that is I'm using. Look at it. Everything is here. So once I get this link, I have access to all the icons. I can just choose one icon to use for my code.
Okay.
Right?
I need to see icon up plenty this.
Sorry?
I'm not seeing icon, I'm seeing much like jam pack white.
Yes, exactly. That is okay. Let me put it back again. So you see the icons. The icons name. You see this where is that place? This FA solid, font awesome solid. All these are icons. F18. All these are
Okay.
icons. They're having their style. See position. Absolute. This is
Okay.
vertical align. All these are styling. Like they have already done the necessary styling to the icons. All this you see FA hand point, right? All those are
Understand.
icons.
You can
So
continue.
it is automatically getting it to our code. All right, thanks.
Okay.
So let's do same for the Facebook now, right? So let's go and look for Facebook.
Please let's stop by 12.
Sure. Once we are done with this this part, we'll end. Once we are done with this part.
I would appreciate if you can just copy your syntax for both home.css and HTML. Copy on and paste on the group.
Okay, copy it and paste. Okay, what I've done here, right?
Yeah. Or if there's a way you can
Don't worry,
link,
I would
link
push it
your
to
VS
GitHub. I'll push it to the cloud, then I'll put the link.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll do that.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, sure.
All right.
Merci beaucoup.
All right, so Facebook, this is the icon for Facebook, right? So I need this. So let me copy, which one is this? Let me use this one instead. Copy this, then go to where I have this. Mind you, is this stuff, let me ask this question before I proceed, because very important. Is this a normal P tag or an A tag?
You said, is it whether it's an
All
anchor
this, is it okay? Is it an anchor tag or a P tag or H tag, or what do I use?
It should be
Are
an
these
anchor
links?
tag.
Are
Yeah,
these
an
links?
anchor tag. Anchor tag.
So these are links now, right?
Yes.
All right, good. That's what I wanted to clarify. So since they are links inside within this div, I just put the anchor tag, right? And within the anchor tag, I paste that stuff. But let me do it this way. Let me separate this div, this, and paste it here, right? So let's check it first. So I have the Facebook tag here, right? And the same for the other one. Twitter. Let's go and look for Twitter. Before I continue Twitter, let me just copy this, paste it.
That href, you didn't put anything inside the
No, not yet. Not yet. Yeah, not yet. That I'm going to put the address to Facebook now, right? The address of whatever. The Facebook address, so that it will take you to the Facebook, right? Okay. So person is sleep at the yes snoring.
I swear.
No man now.
You know pass of
Twitter.
Cornelius.
No be me, I beg, because
All right. So I have Twitter. This
I
bet.
got on tire.
Please. So I'll be choosing this one. I copy it. Then go to the Twitter section and paste it, right? And I'll do same for what else again? What's the next thing?
You didn't
Paste
put
it.
anchor tag. Though.
Sorry?
You didn't put anchor tag.
Yeah, I put anchor tag. Okay, yes, I've not put anchor tag. Yeah.
You didn't kitchen by this time. When I sleepy, I try to cook. Young man.
I've not done it. Yes. Right. Twitter. All right. So let's do that. Okay. So let's do same for the year. All right. So we have the Facebook, Twitter. Next one is Instagram, and let's use WhatsApp for that one. Instagram. So let's go and search for Instagram. So we have this. I just copy this and go to my code. Paste it here. Instagram. Finally,
What's up?
Sorry, someone is saying something.
What's
WhatsApp.
up?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So let me just use this one from my WhatsApp. Actually, and go to this. Paste it. So let's check how the code is. We have something like that. Abi?
Yes.
Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. What we'll do next is the next thing now is if you notice there is a padding. I don't know if you know padding up down. You've
Yeah.
noticed that there's a padding up down.
Can,
So we need
padding go? I thought padding is meant to go up, down, left, right.
hmm?
I thought
Yeah,
padding
padding
is
is yeah,
supposed to
up, down, left,
be down,
right.
left, right.
Yes.
But can you do padding for only up and down?
Yeah, you can do padding for up and down.
Only.
There's what we call padding top, then padding bottom.
Okay. Yeah. That's true.
You get now, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So what we're going to do is um this is the container, right? This is the container. So we target the container. Yeah, we're going to target the container and give the necessary padding. So let's say padding top, maybe let's try 50 first. 50 px. Let's see how it's going to be. See, it's giving me 50. So, but I want maybe 10. Maybe 10 should do now. Yeah, 10 should do.
Why is it not the same down too?
That's because I gave it only the top. If I want it down, I do padding bottom. You get now, right? So
Yeah.
this is the padding top. Now there's no padding bottom, so I'm going to put that now. Padding bottom 10 px. 10 px, right? So if I go to the code, I see it now. It applies for the top and the bottom. Top and bottom. Maybe we are getting somewhere. Our goal is to make it look like this, right? Abi?
Yes.
Now, right. Next thing is to change the color. We're having white here, right? And we're having white here. So we need to change the color of this to white. So we are going to target what this div. We target this div and give it white. So let's go to the code. So which div is that? Left contact. So let's go to left contact and give it color, right? White. Let's see. We have white here now. Abi?
Yes.
Cool. We'll do the same here. I'm going to go into
Right media icon.
media. Okay, right media icons, Abi. Ayana. Let's try something. White. So let's see. It's not still giving us white.
Okay.
Oh, why now? Why is it not giving us white now? Maybe targeted the right media icons and it's not giving us. But normally, if we target this white media, it means everything, all the children would have the color of white.
Yeah, it should inherit.
Yes. But why is it that the A tag isn't getting it? Why? That's because yeah,
Because of the link.
yeah, it's the link actually. So whenever we want to change the color of the link, right, we have to target the A tag, the anchor tag directly, like call it inside the parent. So what I mean is this. Yeah. What I mean is this. First of all, I call the parent, which is what? Right media icons, right? Then I want to call what? The media icon before the A tag, right? Media icon. Then I call the A tag, right? Or, okay, fine. There's always a reason for this. So let me call the A direct. We are all familiar with this now, right?
Yes.
Who can tell me why I didn't put dot? I just called the A.
It's not a class. It's an element.
Good. It's an element. I think there is a name for that, Sha.
Element selector. Element
Element
select.
select, exactly. So that's why we didn't put dots, right? So, all right, color white. Let's go and check. We have a white, yeah, which is similar to this, right? I think we're almost done. Is there anything left? Is there anything? I think that's all, right? Okay, there's something now. See, all these are, will I say, QA, quality assurance, them. They are now their work. They will come to this site and they'll notice that for this site now, if you see, when you hover on this, there is this pointer, right? There's this pointer. There's this pointer. There's this pointer. But our own, when you hover, it's showing this symbol, right? Showing this symbol. And I want the pointer to show. So what's causing that? How do we handle that?
Over.
Cursor.
Over.
Cursor. Cursor.
Also,
All
It's
right.
cursor to pointer.
Okay.
Hello, you said what?
Cursor, right? So it's a cursor, right? It's a cursor is a property now, right? All right. So what I'm going to do now is for this div, I'll give it a cursor pointer. Yeah, for this other div, same thing. Pointer, right? So it looks like this. Okay. So let's go to the phone, right? That is what the phone, which is this, then cursor pointer. Let's see. You see this now, right?
What do you mean by pointer? Sorry.
This is a this is a pointer. See the hand. The hand is a pointer, right? The hand is a pointer. But
Okay.
if I want it to, there are different properties. Let's try. There's what we call let's look for
Crosshair.
crosshair. Let me see this copy. There's one of copy. Let's see how the copy will be. See the copy now. You see this plus here. There are different symbols for it. Yeah.
Okay. This cursor tag now is more like it's saying what will appear when you place your
Yes,
cursor.
exactly. When you hover on it, yes, exactly. Yeah.
Is this a pseudocode?
It's not a pseudo. You know, pseudo is when you want to change
Over.
the state. Yeah, when you want to change the state of the element, right? But this is more like
Just
a
the
cursor
mouse.
property. Yes.
Just the mouse.
Yeah. What will happen when you put your mouse here? Yeah. What should happen? Yeah, that kind of thing. But what we want is what the pointer. There are different things. We have what crosshair. Let's see what crosshair does. See the crosshair, it gives you a cross. You see the cross, right?
Yeah.
Good. It gives you a cross. So there are some applications, there are some website application that might require you to use a crosshair. That's when you choose that. But for our goal, we need a pointer, right? So we're going to use a pointer for that, which is giving us this. So we do same here. right? We do same for this other div. So we target the email and do the same thing here. Do the same thing here, which is this. All right. So I think that's still similar to this now, right? Even though it's not perfect. I know this one is bigger, so we can always try to adjust the font size of this, make it smaller, look like this, right? Then one thing is media, like how I go about it, because I know in the assignment they talk about it should be responsive, right? So how I usually do it is whenever I handle one component, once I don't wait, I don't most people they have their different approach. Most people they try to design everything before they try to make it responsive. But how I do it is I design the first component and I make sure it has to be responsive. Responsive means for how do you want the website to render or display for different devices, right? So if I should minimize this, let me minimize this. Assuming this is the screen size of someone's phone, you notice it's still responsive, right? There's no odd behavior, right? If I should reduce it, it's still responsive. Reduce it, it's still responsive. Reduce it, it's still okay. Still giving us what we want. But there are times whereby if I reduce it now, I don't want looking at this now, the um it's looking somehow. I don't know if it's okay. Looking somehow. There are some times whereby for smaller screen, I want to hide these details. Rather, I want to hide these details, right? For bigger screen, let these details appear, right? But for smaller screen like this, maybe for smaller screen like this, I want these details to disappear. I don't know if you get what I mean. I don't want this stuff to show.
Sure. You get it.
Can you put inspect so that the screen will reduce more? Let's see.
Okay. Ah, inspect. That's impressive. All right. Okay. So this is the inspect, right? There's something. Let me do something now first. Just hold on. I'll copy this. Then I have an extension that helps me do something. Let me go to my Chrome and use the extension for mobile devices. Right. Okay. All right. So there's it now. Still the same thing. So this is an extension that helps me view for different devices, right? How the UI will be rendered, right? So this is for iPhone. Who is iPhone 13? Then for Galaxy Tab S7, how do you want it to display? This display this way. Then for people using iPad Pro 11, how do you want it to be displayed? This is it. That what if someone that is using a smaller phone? I don't want these details to show. Maybe iPhone 13. See how the thing is. It's looking it's not that fine, right? So for smaller screen, I want this display to disappear. Like I don't want to see it. You get what I mean?
Yes.
So that's what we are going to handle tomorrow, right? So how we are going to do is section will design one component section, then make it responsive before we move over to the next section. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mhm.
What's this? What's the name of this? What
All
do they
right.
call it
It's
again?
what's the name again, sir? Let me check. Mobile simulator.
Okay.
Mobile
Bye.
simulator. Yeah,
Passive testing. Okay.
yeah. So I think that is all for now. Yeah, that's all for
Thank
tonight.
you.
Yeah. So tomorrow, hopefully, we will do the responsive and we'll do this one. Tomorrow won't be long as tonight because this one is not that. Once you have gotten the concept for this one, every other stuff is straightforward. We are gradually building the website. Yeah, gradually. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, good night.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Good night.
Yeah, good night, everyone. Thank you.
I will stay here and watch the last person that will go, especially those people that have
For
slept.
the mind.
Let me
Thank you,
know
Mr.
the people that have slept.
For your
I thank them, man.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night,
Yeah, good
guys.
night.
God bless you.
All right, now, Solomon and Prince,
See.
everybody,
See?
good night.
Uh,
Yeah.
Don't worry, I will post their names when I see them.
All right,
I'm
now,
going to
tomorrow.
post
Go
them. See ya.
sleep. Yeah,
It's
all
like
right.
gift and Prince. Yeah.
Hello?
All right, so,
Yes?
Okay, bye-bye.
good night.
Sorry. What happened? I had my name.